Turut ano?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, honorable judges, my dear friend and all participants. How are you today? I hope you're all doing well. On this special occasion, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Najwan Alfa. You can call me Alfa. I study at SMA 2 Kuala Kapuas. So, I will bring a speech with the title Empowering Generation Z. Generation Z, Indonesia's future leader. Today, I have the privilege of addressing a generation that is not only saving operation, but is also driving force behind the future of Indonesia. Generation Z, as we stand at the forefront of change, it is inspiring to see how this dynamic group paving the way for a brighter future for our nation. Generation Z is characterized by its resilience, creativity, and unwavering commitment to social justice. Born into a world rapid of technological advancement, climate change, and global connectivity, this generation possesses a unique perspective that challenges the status quo. They are not only active, but is also a critical thinkers who are unafraid to voice their opinion and advocate for the change they wish to see. At the forefront of change, Generation Z is leading the charge in addressing pressing issues such as climate change, equality, and mental health. They understand that the health of our planet is intertwined with the health of our society. Through their activism and awareness campaigns, they are pushing for sustainable practices that protect our environment for generations to come. Their commitment to a greener Indonesia is not just a trend. It is a movement that calls for systemic change in how we approach our natural resources and our responsibility to future generations. Moreover, Gen Z is breaking down barriers and challenging social norms. They are champions of diversity and inclusion, advocating for the rights of marginalized communities, and fostering a culture of acceptance. In a nation as diverse as Indonesia, this commitment to unity is crucial. By embracing differences and promoting equality, they are building a society where every individual has an opportunity to thrive. Education is another area where Generation Z making a significant stride. They are leveraging technology to access knowledge and skills that empower them to become a leader in their field. With their entrepreneurial spirits, many are launching startups that not only contribute to the economy, but is also redefining what it means to work and succeed. Focusing on purpose as much as profit. As we look to the future, it is essential for us as a nation to support Gen and empower Gen Z. We must provide them with the resources, opportunities, and mentorship needed to turn their ideas into reality. By investing in education, technology, and sustainable practices, we can create an environment where these generations can thrive and lead Indonesia toward a brighter future. In conclusion, Generation Z stands at the forefront of change, ready to lead us into a new era of innovation, inclusivity, and sustainability. Let us listen to their voices, learn from their perspective, and work alongside them to build our shared values and aspirations. We can create a vibrant Indonesia that harnesses the energy of passion in its youth. That's all for my speech today. Thank you for listening and have a great day and stay hydrated.
Boleh berikan tepuk tangan yang meriah untuk peserta dengan nomor urut 6 yang menjadi peserta terakhir kita pada malam hari ini pada lomba pidato berbahasa Inggris tingkat SMA sederajat. Baik, sebelum